crazy. Act a fool. Act a fool. Act a fool. I wish you would. I
Good
wish you
boy.
would. I wish you would. What? 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 Attack!
She always want to attack me.
Attack!
Shoot.
Attack! It's daddy attack mode.
See? I'm gonna knock her out. I don't care.
Attack!
What? 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 Okay. What? 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 What now? What now? What now? You surrender?
She just gonna lay back like, oh man. What? What?
Look.
Everything you done to me, and I already done to you.
Hey, what you doing from there? Huh?
What? She lose on my mind. Stinker. Poor little legs. She looking like, hey. Really, babe? Really?
What? That's why you so bad. Cause we be roughing you up. That's why she's so bad. You know that, right? Oh, I thought you went down.
Really? Baby, stop it. She hurt herself.
It's her. You see? She keep coming back. She keep coming back. Yeah. He ain't do nothing to you.
Baby, you gonna make her hurt herself now.
It's her. Everybody told to come down full force. You see? That's
Baby, that's not funny. She is slapping the ground. You can hear it. Oh.
She gonna be tough. She gonna be tough. She gonna be tough. See, she don't know how to stop. She don't know how to stop either.
Why is she hopping though? Funny. Funny. Baby, you made her dizzy. Don't ever do that again. Baby, don't do that. You made her dizzy. She kept going on her own. And she peed right on the floor. And it's all your fault. And now you gotta clean it.
How is it my fault?
Because you the one made her dizzy. She saw the bed, but she kept going on the other side.
You see that? You see that? You see that? No.
Now put her in her bed. Now she gotta go back to the bed.
This is what you use.
Baby, don't shake her like. Don't do her like that. I got you on candid camera.
You use this.
Baby, she don't like that. She don't like that. Why would you do her like that? I got you on candid camera. I'm taking it to the authorities.
Okay.
Baby, why would you do her like that?
That's what she's supposed to use. She done messed up playtime.
You mad? Because you can't play that one? Babe.
She killed it. She rolled over and she went at a standstill. And you should have decided, well, I'm a pieces, I'm in this position. No. No.
Babe, leave her alone. You ain't gotta let her out. Leave her alone. Don't tease her. Baby, you
I said, no. And she went back in the bed.
baby, you're so
Take that to the...
Are we? Mm.
Playtime over.
No, just cause y'all done fucked up. You know what? Fuck it. I don't want to play with y'all anyway.
Playtime over. You go play with her. She messed up. Missed the whole paper. What y'all looking at?
You retarded.
Going to sleep.
You were really upset about that, babe. You mad.
I'm going to sleep. She go back to sleep too.
You mad cause playtime's over?
Huh?
You mad cause playtime's over?
Yeah, she's gotta spoil it, man.
Babe, you really mad.
I'm good. You can turn it off now, America. We done.
Say bye-bye. Not please. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby, can you get out? Can you get out?
I don't want to get out.
I know. Do just.
Nah. Later.